Children, welcome to the Maths Online classes. I guess you all are enjoying the multiplication chapter through this video and the previous videos also. So student, in this video I am going to explain the patterns. This pattern you have already studied in your previous classes, but this is not in multiplication, that is a different chapter. This is just like symmetric and patterns, but patterns in multiplication, this is similar that you have already studied. So let's see what is the pattern in multiplication here. Students, what we have to do here, let's see what is the pattern. When a two-digit number is multiplied by 11, but remember we have to follow the pattern, we have not to multiply the numbers, right? So a number is there, two-digit number, and directly we have to multiply without doing actual calculation. So what is the pattern? Add the two digits of the multiplicand. So here this is the multiplicand. Add the two digits of the multiplicand and place the sum in between those two digits. So what we have to do, first write 1 here and 5 here at some gap, right? Now add these two numbers. 1 plus 5, what is the answer? 6. Place 6 in between those two digits and 165 is the answer, right? Let's see the second example. This is little bit different. Again, this is the multiplicand. Write these two numbers at some gap like this. Again add these two numbers. 4 plus 7 is 11. Here this is, in the previous question, this is a single digit number, so directly we write this number in between the numbers, but in this example this is a two-digit number. So what we have to do, first place this number like this. Again 7 is as it is 1 and carry forward this number to the next number. So 4 plus 1 then 5. If a two-digit number is there, so write one digit here as it is and one number is carried forward to the next number and add that number. So 4 plus 1 is 5. So the answer is 517. You can check the answer by doing the actual calculation, but this is the pattern, right student? Let's take more examples to explain this pattern easily. Example 3 is, let's take any other number. What number you want to take? Like 25 multiplied by 11. Okay. So again, what is the solution? First, this is a multiplicand, 2 and 5. Again add these two numbers, 2 plus 5 and the sum is 7. 275. One more example I want to take, that is a two digit, so the sum is two-digit number. So here let's take 85 multiplied by 11. So 8 and 5. When we add these numbers, what is the sum? 8 plus 5, 13. So write 13 here first. Make a circle. Again write 5, 3 as it is, and this is the carry forward number. So 935. So this is the way to do the oral calculation of any number by 11. So let's check what is the second pattern. The first pattern is multiply by 11 and the second pattern is multiply any number by 9. Again we have to, don't do the full calculations, actual calculations, directly we have to find the answer by using this pattern. So what is the pattern? Let's see. The digit on the ones place decreased by 1 and the digit on the tens place is increased by 1. So let's see how. 9 ones everyone knows 9. Okay, this is the ones place number and this is tens place. 9 twos are. Again, if let's see the pattern, not 9 twos are. The tens place digit is decreased by 1. So 9 is 8. Here's nothing is there, 0. Then increased by 1. Decreased by 1. Increased by 1. Decreased by 1. Increased by 1. Decreased by 1. What is this? Sorry, decreased by 1 and like this and this and this. Oh my god, what is this? This is a table of 9. Let's see how can multiply another number by 9. 9 11 is 99. Okay, this is tens and ones place. The rule is same. This is decreased by 1 and increased by 1. Decreased by 1, increased by 1. decreased by 1, increased by 1, again decreased by 1 and increased by 1, and you can, so many numbers are there, you can find the patterns in the same way. Let's move to the next number. 9 multiplied by 21, again the ones and tens please, let's write it here. 9 and 8. Okay, again the pattern is same, decreased by 1 and increased by 1. The ones place is decreased by 1, then this is increased, again decreased and increased. Okay, and again decreased and increased, again decreased and increased. So in this way we can find any number, multiply by 11 with the help of this pattern without doing actual calculation. So students, there are two patterns, one is multiplied by 11 and second is multiplied by 9. This is, I think you enjoy this pattern. Without doing actual calculation you find out any product of any number with 9, right students? So you can please try this at your home, take any number and multiply it by 9 with the help of this pattern, and 11 also, try the 11 pattern also. Thank you students, that's all for the today's session. The chapter is complete now. You can watch my videos to understand the topic clearly. Thank you students, stay home, stay healthy.